Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to reveal the secrets to doubling your tomato crop from bottom to top with 6 incredible tomato varieties that just won't stop producing. Get ready to transform your garden into a tomato paradise. Tomatoes are a favorite in many gardens, but not all tomatoes are created equal. Some varieties are specifically bred to produce more fruit and thrive in various conditions. Here are 6 types of tomatoes that will help you achieve an abundant harvest. First on our list is the sweet million cherry tomato. True to its name, this variety produces clusters of small, sweet tomatoes that are perfect for snacking and salads. Sweet million is disease-resistant and incredibly prolific, making it a top choice for continuous harvests. Next we have the San Marzano, a classic Roma tomato. Known for its rich flavor and meaty texture, San Marzano is ideal for sauces and canning. This variety is not only a heavy producer but also offers excellent disease resistance. For those who love big, juicy tomatoes, the Big Beef is a must-have. These beefsteak tomatoes are enormous and perfect for slicing onto sandwiches or burgers. Despite their size, Big Beef plants are remarkably productive and resilient. Brandywine tomatoes are cherished heirlooms known for their exceptional flavor. While heirlooms can sometimes be finicky, Brandywine stands out with its vigorous growth and substantial yield. These tomatoes are perfect for those who appreciate taste above all. Juliet grape tomatoes are another fantastic option for high yields. These small, elongated tomatoes are sweet and firm, making them great for fresh eating and cooking. The Juliet variety is known for its resistance to cracking and diseases. Segment 7, determinate tomatoes, celebrity. Last but not least, we have the celebrity tomato, a determinate variety that produces a large crop of medium-sized tomatoes all at once. Celebrity tomatoes are reliable and versatile, making them perfect for both fresh consumption and preserving. To maximize your tomato yield, follow these simple tips. 1. Plant in full sun. Ensure your tomatoes get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. 2. Proper spacing. Space your plants adequately to allow for good air circulation. 3. Regular watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. 4. Fertilize wisely. Use a balanced fertilizer to support growth and fruiting. 5. Prune for health. Remove suckers and lower leaves to prevent disease. 6. Support your plants. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to support heavy branches. Segment 9, conclusion. There you have it, 6 incredible tomato varieties that will double your crop from bottom to top. Try these in your garden, follow our growing tips, and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!